2020 Chevrolet Colorado. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It strikes the perfect balance of fun and function while offering 4-wheel drive, backup camera, power driver seat, Bluetooth, front bucket seats, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, adjustable steering wheel, daytime running lights, traction control, air conditioning, ABS, power locks, front side airbag, front side head airbag, rear side head airbag, 4-wheel disc brakes. Experience the difference. Test drive your dream car today.